Starting and registration of business is an important step in an entrepreneur's journey. Choosing the right form of business is equally important. Here in this video, we will guide you on the registration as well as various aspects of a private limited company, such as what exactly is a private limited company, what is the registration process, what are the various documents that will be required, as well as why one should opt for a private limited company registration. So the first question here that arises is, what exactly is a private limited company? Private limited company is nothing but one of the types of a company in which the shares are held by directors or the founders who have the limited liability. Unlike any other public limited company, the shares of a private limited company are not sold in an open market. In a nutshell, the minimum necessity of a private limited company is there should be minimum of 2 directors who are not liable to pay for the company debts or creditors from their own personal assets. Now the question here arises is, why exactly one should go for a private limited company? Well, there are multiple reasons for the same. Firstly, it is preferred by various banks, investors as well as VCs. Secondly, it is easier to allocate as well as redistribute the shares among the investors or other directors. Thirdly, it provides for limited liability, which means the risk in the whole business is spread out. Fourthly, it is easier to register, manage and run as well as dissolve or wind up a private limited company. Also, there are various concerns related to a private limited company, such as a private limited company requires a few more ROC compliances, translating into an additional cost of Rs 5,000 to Rs 10,000 per annum. Also, the basic minimum capital requirement for starting up a private limited company is Rs 1 lakh. Irrespective of various pros and cons related to private limited company, an entrepreneur still opts for a private limited company because of the easy in share transfer as well as potential in the future growth. There are various documents that are required for the registration of a private limited company: PAN card, Aadhaar card or the voter ID card, passport size photographs of the partners. If your property is owned, then the copy of property papers. In case your property is rented, then the copy of rented agreement and the landlord NOC. For the address proof, the electricity or water bill of the business place. In order to get your private limited company registered, there is a process that is to be followed. Firstly, you have to apply for digital signature and DPIN. Secondly, you have to apply for name approval. Your name should be unique, otherwise it is likely to be rejected. Thirdly, you have to apply for the subscription statement and incorporation document. Then you have to apply for TAN and PAN. At the end, you have to prepare a private limited agreement and file it with the MCA. All this process takes around 15 to 25 days. There are basic minimum requirements for a private limited company registration, such as, firstly, there should be minimum of 2 directors. Secondly, there should be a minimum capital of Rs 1 lakh. Thirdly, a designated director of the company should be Indian resident. Fourthly, DPIN for all the partners. In order you want to register your private limited company with us, that is legalrasta.com, all you have to do is log into the website, that is www.legalrasta.com, and select the private limited registration. Select your package. Also, you can opt for various additional services like trademark as well as sales tax registration. Pay accordingly and rest will take care. Hope you like the video. Bye.